here we are, my friends. I'm with Wayne, my close friend, and we're going to make pizza, homemade pizza. That's right, we're going to make homemade pizza. You ready for this?
Yeah,
okay.
I'm ready. Because I ordered the other night, and then I saw Louis Pizza online, and I had to get him over here.
And so here I am. He cannot stand Domino's. It was horrible, just horrible. But Lou's Pizza is going to be better than Domino's. In fact, if you call right now, 1-800-555-555, and order from Lou's Kitchen. Not yet. Okay, let's get going. Hey gang, here we are. This is Wayne.
Hey.
And I'm Lou. I'm with my great friend. Anyway, we're here to do what, Wayne?
To make pizza.
Why?
Because I ordered out the other night, and it really wasn't that good. And I saw Lou's Pizza on Lou's Kitchen online, and it looked so good, I just had to get him over here to make one.
Yeah, he didn't like Domino's. And I don't like Domino's. I only like Lou's Pizza. Yeah, you can order it. 1-800-555-5555.
I get mine for free.
He's getting his for free. But he's got work for it. And we're going to show you how to do it right now.
Okay, guys.
Okay, here we are. Okay, let's get going. Bye. This is going to be really simple. You're going to go ahead and you're going to learn how to make pizza. All we need is 3 cups of flour. Okay, so let's get going. Now, here you have the flour. Okay, bear with me, everybody, because this camera is basically a regular still camera, so we're just doing a quickie here. So, Wayne, when you want to pack that in to make sure it's level. Yep, pack it in. There you go. Hey, listen, folks, it's only 3 cups of flour. That's it, 3 cups. Now, that's all you need is 3 cups of flour. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to take yeast. Now, everyone, see, look at this. Pizza yeast. That's all you need. Now, you can use fast rapid yeast that you see in any store, right? Any grocery store. But look, this is going to rise real quick. So we're going to add 1 package, okay? So, Wayne, you're going to tear on the top. Okay, stir it, mix it, make sure you get it really good.
If you notice, I'm using a big bowl, because if I used a regular size bowl like everybody else, it would be all over the counter by now.
We're going to add some oregano.
No, oregano does go in pizza.
Yeah, okay, so let's go ahead. Keep sprinkling. Let's add another dry herb. Let's go ahead, basil. Dry.
Basil too?
Yeah, come on, baby. So, Wayne, let's add some garlic. Come on.
Not in the crust.
Add garlic, please. Come on. A little more. That's it. Not too much garlic. Okay, Wayne, add some salt, please.
Oh, my favorite.
I think I'm going to cut that out of the video. Okay. A little more. Come on. What you want to do is you want to add a pinch of salt. Okay, so now you know we have 3 cups of flour. We also have, Wayne, we have what?
Yeast, basil, parsley, and optional garlic.
Right, and remember to say it's pizza yeast. Now, you can use any fast yeast whatsoever, okay? If you use regular dry yeast, it's going to take all day for it to rise. Okay, so we want it to rise real quick. We're super hungry. Okay, next level, we're going to add some water, and we're going to start mixing this sucker. We're going to add not the entire water, Wayne. We're not adding entire water. No. Now what you're going to do, you're going to use, well, let's mix this a little bit. Okay, so Wayne, and you're going to just sprinkle a little bit of water in there. Go ahead. A little bit. Now mix it with your hand. And what you want to do is get it into clumps. Make sure you get the side of the bowl. So while Wayne is mixing, the next step is to add a little more water once he feels that it's a little clumpy.
It's not clumpy enough yet. I need more water.
Okay, so Wayne needs a little more water. There we go. There you go. Get it clumpy. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep adding water until it's soft.
Doughy.
Uh-huh. What makes it doughy? The water. Wayne, you're doing a great job, man. God, you should start a cooking show, just how to make pizza, and not to order from Domino's.
I'm already having nightmares about, look at all the pans I'm going to have to wash when we're done.
And what we're going to do, we're going to add some olive oil.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So we're going to add about a tablespoon. There we go.
It's like making meatballs.
Yes, so we're going to add a pinch of more water. There you go.
Touch.
Exactly.
It's just a touch bit more pliable.
Now, this is his first time making this, and yet he knows the consistency of the dough. How good is that? Okay, so wait, what you're going to do, you're going to take the dough. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a olive oil and we're going to wipe down the bowl with olive oil. This is going to prevent the dough from what?
Sticking.
Right. So we take the sucker, lay it in there. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
See it?
Yes.
Now we want to cover it. Okay, so as you notice, we got this. Now, the best thing to do, which is the warmest part of the house, is the oven. Let's put that in the oven. Lay that in there. Turn on your light. The light will produce just a nice warmness of heat. Okay, we don't want it hot.
Right.
We just want it nice and warm. Okay.
And how long do you leave it like that?
We'll say about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, half an hour. What do you think?
Oh, 20. Okay, maybe 20.
All right. So, do you think we should clean this bloody thing up?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
No, because we're going to need it to what? Roll out the dough. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, so we'll keep the flour on there unless you're going to use the counter for something else.
No.
Okay, done with video. Okay, everyone, Wayne is ready to go to step 2, actually making the pizza. Mozzarella. Okay, mozzarella. Okay, did I say that enough? Mozzarella. Cut it in half. Now you can do whatever you want. If you want skim milk, mozzarella, fine. No, Wayne. So what we're going to do is now we're going to cut these into blocks, very thin. There you go, as thin as possible. And we're going to use these thin slices to lay on top of the pizza dough. You're doing a great job. We're going to add tomatoes on top of the pizza. You can do that. You don't have to. You can add whatever you want. Hey, look, if you want to add pepperoni, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter to me. Okay? Whatever you want to add that is desire to your heart, you can do that. So, we're going to cut these things in real thin slices. Wayne, let's take the dough out of the oven. Now the rack, hold on. Give me the dough. Now the rack is perfectly. I would bring the rack down one more. Nah, we'll keep the rack there. Yeah, keep the rack about in the middle of the oven. Okay, let's shut it. No, perfect. Turn on the oven.
To what? To what?
425.
It takes a little while to preheat.
425. Do we have 425?
Yeah, we do.
Look, 425, everyone. See? 425. Okay. All right. So, Wayne, go ahead and spread the flour a little bit on the table there.
Now,
Smack that sucker down. Okay, now, what you want to do, finger it. Finger it. Still going to get the yeast a little more active. Okay, there we go. And it's going to help turn it around. And that's the part you're going to work on. Finger it. That's all. That's it. Now, you're going to take this baby and you're going to roll it out. What I like to do the old-fashioned way is the camera have this on me.
on you.
It is?
Mhm.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. You know, I gotta be in the camera. Okay, what I like to do the old-fashioned way is use cornmeal. Now, cornmeal on the bottom of the pizza gets that nice crust. that crunch. Right? I love that. And that's what I remembered growing up in New York or visiting New York once again. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to oil the non-stick pizza pan. As you can see these holes here? The heat is going to distribute the heat evenly on the pizza dough. And that's what those holes are for. Okay, so let's oil this sucker up. Why we're oiling it? Because I want the cornmeal to stick to the pan. So, I'm going to take some of the cornmeal, put the pizza pan above the sink so it doesn't go on the floor. Now wait, if you just take the camera, point it to the top of this. Now if you think that's a lot, maybe. So what I do, I shake some of it out. Look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to take the pie. Like I said, so you create a little hole. Whoopie-doo. I'm going to roll it a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to lay it on top. Just like that. And Wayne did an excellent job. Man, perfect, Wayne. Damn, you're good. Okay, so I'm going to take these ends. I'm just going to squeeze it. Pinch them, squeeze it down, pinch them so you have a nice edge crust. Hey, look, if you want to put a little butter around here, you could do that too. Get a nice buttery crust on the edge. Like some of the pizzerias do. Especially your chains ones, like Pizza Hut. Okay, so Wayne, go ahead, take a nice big scoop. This is Lou's pasta sauce, and we're going to use it for pizza. The best sauce in the world, man. Pour it right in the middle. Just pour it. Okay, now take the bottom of this.
And go like this, right?
And we're starting from the middle, and just rotate around and around and around and around. Now, it's a little secret about sauce. You don't want to add too much sauce. What's going to happen is your pizza is going to be soupy. Then it overflows. And then it comes right off your pie. Head.
Just one.
That's it. One scoop of Lou's special pasta sauce.
Okay. Now you want to layer it from the start?
Yeah, you don't want to add any more sauce. Trust me, it will fall off when you take a bite of your pizza. Okay? All right. You don't want soupy. Good. Roll it around. All around. I like to add on top
a little oregano, just a dash of oregano.
A little basil, please. Okay, let's add a little salt. If you're all watching the salt, please don't add salt. Now, Wayne is not big on garlic, but I'm showing him how to make a pie, so he's gonna have to deal with it. Tap, 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 tap. Let's lay the tomato on top. We almost forgot that. Ooh, gooey. Ooh, that's so good. Tomatoes, right? Tomatoes.
Chicken anchovies.
Make spaces, big spaces. Into the 425 oven.
It's still reheating.
Right in the center. Nope, it's not in the center. Center.
Now it's reheating.
Okay. Oh, the pizza? About 20 minutes. We're going to take the pizza out of the oven. Oh, look at that. Oh, see the steam in my glasses? Okay. So, OMG! Yes! Praise the Lord. Look at that. Look at the color of the mozzarella. I like it when it has that nice darkness. We're going to take this crust. We're going to set it right up here. Oh, look at that. And Wayne, this is a gift to you. Non-stick pizza pan, so you can make your pizza all the time. Now, what you want to do, if you have a big cutting board, that's great. So I'm just going to slide this just a second. You want to start right in the middle. And then you want to cut. Now, if it was a bigger board, I would just roll it back down this way. Look. Now, Wayne is going to be the tester. Okay, Wayne. It's trial time. What do you think?
Very good.
You like it?
It is just a little overcooked.
Yes. If we took it out 3 minutes earlier, 4 minutes maybe, yes, perfect. But that's how you make pizza dough. So gang, that is how you make pizza dough with my friend Wayne. If you want pizza, you got to come over to his house, right? No. Yes.
No.
You gotta come over.
And you will be, once you come here, you will be referred with complete directions to Lou's Kitchen.
That's what he says. But anyway, this is how you make pizza. We love you. Big hugs. I hope you guys enjoy making homemade pizza for your friends, your family, all your loved ones. And those who you despise, don't tell them you're making the pizza. Love you guys. Big hugs. Good, Wayne?
Bye-bye, everybody.
Yeah, bye-bye. Bye.